Hey guys, Cameron over at 816 Diesel. I'm bringing you a cold start walk around video. Actually, the truck's warm. I lied. We just went down, had it aligned. I just have a couple people wanting the video, so we're going to be doing a warm start today. I've been driving it, not a cold start. Is what it is. Walk around video for condition, showing you what's going on. It's an 05 Ford F250 King Ranch, crew cab short bed FX4, lift kit, wheels, tires, a couple little goodies on it. Overall though, it's a stock truck. Low miles, Colorado, no rust, super clean King Ranch. Definitely has the pedigree you want to see on it as far as condition goes. 163,520 on the miles. Like I said, the trans isn't warm, but the engine is. We haven't. I mean, I've been back for about an hour, but starts and runs amazing, drives amazing. This truck's awesome. It just got back from alignment, had the AC charged, tested for leaks, everything, ice cold. MVI state inspection done on it. It's a stock truck, bone stock, head bolt stock, EGR intact, everything is there. It's a nice truck. It was 100% stock when we bought it. We did the accessories that you're seeing. As far as that though, everything else is original on it. It's hard loaded. It's got aftermarket Bluetooth USB auxiliary head unit, so you can get your phone hooked up and your music hooked up. Auto climate control AC, good heat. AC is ice cold. Just got back today. Upfitter switches. You got trailer brakes down there. Power sliding rear window, 4-wheel drive. Power windows, power locks, power mirrors, and it does have heated power seats on both sides. It has the controls on the steering wheels for your volume and for your AC fan, both of which work great. So all the options except for the sunroof. Other than that, this truck is hard loaded. It is a sweet King Ranch. It came out of Colorado. They don't use any salts on the roads out there in Colorado, so none of their stuff's rusty. But let's go ahead and walk around, check it out, look under the hood. Like I said, it's stock under here, so we did put new boost tubes and boots on this. One of our boots had a crack in it, so we upgraded the boost tubes, and we got these nice anodized red powder coated ones. We're gonna be checking blow by hot. There you go. Nothing at all. Zero blow by truck. I know a lot of guys want to see blow by hot, some want to see it cold. This one's hot. Other than the boost tube boots, nothing else was done to it. Stock head bolts, proper coolant levels. This truck builds no pressure. Nice and soft hose, and we've been driving it all day, so. As far as modifications go, all we did was the lighting, wheels and tires, and a paint to match emblem up there. Harley headlights, smoked 5 highs, recon corners in the mirrors. Going over the wheels here, 20 by 12 ion wheels, negative 44 offset. And we are on a 35, 12, 50, 20 terrain gripper. Load range E10 ply, 40K mile warranty tire. Body on this truck is super clean. And like I said, there's no rust to report. I'm looking it over for dings, and there's not a lot to show you on there. So this side's pretty clean. Look at that rocker. Unscathed, untouched. Horns all the way down there. It has minor surface rust on the undercarriage, but just surface. No holes, no rot. Let's actually look at the cross rails. Cross rails look awesome. Little bit of flex in that one, but hardly any. There's no rot, no crumble. And we do have a B&W turnover hitch in this. OEM plastic Ford bed liner, tie downs in the corners. Smoked LED third brake up top. Tinted tail lights. Yeah, I'm looking at this side, guys, and there's no nicks or dings or scratches I'm seeing that need to be reported as far as condition. Tailgate, a couple little dingers in it. You can kind of see it going on up in here. You get a different angle and roll that light on it. I mean, you can hardly tell it's there from 10 feet back. When you get up close and look at the light, this truck's a unique color too. Burke, Colorado. Truck's a unique color. It looks maroon in the dark time. In the sunlight, it's got a high copper orange metallic fleck. So super cool truck when the sun's shining on it. A lot of metallic in it. Stock exhaust too. Everything's stock on this truck. Intake, exhaust, everything. That's a nice clean frame. King Ranch leather shows a little bit of wear. They all do. They make nice conditioners, and I have a lot of customers that told me using saddle conditioner makes them real plush and soft again. I've never personally done it, but we sell a lot of these King Ranches, and I've gotten that feedback from multiple people. But all in all, guys, this truck's awesome. There's not a lot bad to say about it. One of the few things I can tell you is this door is missing its bumper guard for door dings. It just came off of there. A lot of times guys remove them. They sell them on eBay, painted Ford factory paint in all the colors, so you can order them. It's a whole set. It's like $100 and something bucks. But other than that, guys, this truck's ready to go. It's got 10 on the windows, 20%. Super clean all around. There is one dent in this front bumper. You can kind of see it there. A little bit of rust that'll actually polish right off of there. But if you're interested, hit the website 816diesel.com. Head on over there now. I got pictures, I got pricing, I got written information, everything I just covered, it's over there. Check it out. VIN numbers on there too. Let me know if you have any questions. We're down here in Kansas City, Missouri, right where I-35 meets I-70. 816 Diesel, 816-298-7030. That is our shop landline. You can give me a shout there if you want to get a hold of me direct. My name's Cameron. My cell phone's 913-735-3748. And my phone number is on the website too, is the text line. So let me know if you got any questions. I appreciate your time, guys. You have a great week out there.